What's good, collective? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Bienvenidos. I just got a new mic, so now I don't know how to act. Just bear with me. Me. Timeless. Yeah, you do that. Timeless. Hey. We just jamming out. In the I've been on the fly. And I start to wonder why. Bake a pie. That was my tag, Pocahontas. Funny. Bro, welcome back to those that are, new to my channel. Or no ID 444 tour. Just chilling, vibing out. We're gonna get some messages, pull some messages, and see if it's really good with the collective. Pull some oracles. Just know what these readings are timeless. There's no gender in Torah. So flip the roles to whichever best way it suits you. If it doesn't suit you, just go ahead and leave it there. Don't try to play with it. Always have your own discernment. Make sure y'all have your own discernment. Just know that these messages that I receive, I'm just a vessel, and I don't sugarcoat anything. What comes out in the messages is exactly how I'm gonna deliver them. Messages resonate for you guys. Anything that you guys want to know about me, it'll be down in my description box there.
Get Artist insurance that actually helps. Get Lemonade. With prices starting at just $5 a month.
Spirit, what are the messages for the collective? What are the messages we have for the collective? Okay. So somebody's extra triggered because you're ignoring their ass and they out here licking you up on some stalker ass shit. Ooh. Yeah. They want you back because you blocked their ass. It's like you dusting it off while they having nightmares. I mean, they looking like a fucking nightmare, especially in here in this car. Yo. Look at that scary ass shit. Fucking demons. Feeling higher. Yeah. This is giving me some real karmic ass vibes. Notice how I lit my sage and now it's out. Because this is a grudge holder. They lonely. They out here stalking you. Yeah, this is a very codependent, narcissistic ass person. It's given trigger warning. It's given low IQ. It's given jealousy, envy, all the above. Let's see what this is about. Let's see what's really good with this. Yeah, because they sitting in the Five of Pentacles. Oh, now the sign's been exposed. And you're moving on to a different direction. Happiness. Right there. See your time cups. So they can stalk all they fucking want. That's gonna be part of their karma. Them watching you come out after they done tried to put you down like a dog. Feeling higher, where you go, everywhere you go. Queen of Swords, speaking the truth out here. Yeah, moving on with the victory. I feel like this is you in the Queen of Swords energy. Yeah, death. This cycle's closed. Yeah. Good. Tell me about this grudge holder. Yeah, they tight because you sitting in your Empress energy. You looking good, you smelling good, you feeling good, all the above. Okay. You don't need nobody to come out here and say and try nothing. You know why? Because you don't give a fuck. Tell me more about grudge holder. They definitely holding grudges with the Five of Swords here. They're trying to fucking win at all costs. So they holding a grudge because you sitting there looking pretty while they out here trying to win at all costs. We all know how that go. Or do we? I don't identify. Alien. Alien mixed with a human baby. What's the word? Be the attitude. Facts. Tell me more about lonely. What is lonely? Yeah, they lonely because they out here watching, stalking. It's like they obsessed. Like, get over yourself. Go do some healing work. Baby, here. Baby, here. Baby, here I. Baby, here I am. Tell me more about lonely. I just heard Clarissa. We got the Knight of Swords. Yeah. Trying to make some smooth. They trying to make some fast action here. You know, they're trying to see when they can come in and try to attack. They all lonely and shit, you know, watching you move swiftly. They watching you move the other direction. You swerve. But don't nobody want to be around a narcissist who's just literally full of, you know, ego and pride and honestly demons. They just need a cleanse. They need a heal. Just, if you see that this path is not working for you, that's because, you know, you need to start changing this shit up. Tell me more about Stalker. What is Stalker here? The Collective. Page of Pentacles. You guys could be into divination, or this person could be into divination. This could be a white witch. This could be a dark witch here, or you can be a white witch. I'm getting multiple downloads. You can be a white witch here, you could do Toro or anything spiritual, some type of spiritual work, and they're out here stalking you while you're at work. Uh-huh. Shouldn't be no whole love. Shouldn't be no. Justice came out with it. Yeah. This person here, I'm also getting that they were into doing black magic and it backfired, which is why the justice is here. Take it whichever way it resonates, child. For what they do. What's the Five of Swords for the Empress? Yeah, with the Seven of Swords, yeah, they out here trying to do the most. Over here telling lies and betrayals, causing illusions. Like, the fuck out of here, get the fuck on. It's like, people be doing the most, child. And be over some real, like, stupid kid shit. Like, get over it. What's the Seven of Swords? Yeah, hold up. Rat race hustling. Remember? Race hustling. We got the Three of Wands. Yeah, they trying to strategize and trying to figure out a way, you know, to try to attack. They're trying to figure out a way to try to attack you. But it's not working. So. No trabaja eso, ¿no? Es que no trabaja. No se puede intentar más. Just that's it, it's a wrap. Stop trying. What's the Knight of Swords to the Two of Wands? It's like how many times people gotta try and fall on their face. Look, I can't make this shit up. With the Seven of Cups here, it's causing illusions. They over here trying to figure out how to cause an illusion. People be hating hard by you, son. That's why the Tower is here. That's exactly why this Tower is here. What's the Justice? Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune. The wheels are turning in your favor, no matter what anybody else thinks. What's the Wheel of Fortune to the Justice? To the Page of Pentacles? Yeah. Justice is here. The wheels are turning in your favor and everything's balancing out for you. Whether anybody likes it or not. Okay. Especially this, you know, stalker. It's like people just have like, you know, a lot of trauma that they need to really heal, and they think that by, you know, doing certain things that help cope with it, or what they think helps cope with it, only makes things worse for them. But hey, to each their own. Yeah, it's this Queen of Wands here at the bottom. This Queen of Wands here, she's in her, you know, Nine of Swords energy here. Y'all could be dealing with it with a Leo, an Aries. They could have these placements in their chart. I see Scorpio energy out here, Libra energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, Pisces. Aquarius. Mind you, this person is already in brokenhearted here and feeling haunted over this marriage. Look at this. This is crazy. So there's the King of Wands, the King of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Fool. Everyone working together here. This is a collaboration here between these two. I'm getting this person had a whole nother, relationship over there. This karmic. And they try to put you in a third party situation. And now that they cut off, they don't know how to act. They're out here just stalking and shit. Being, on some nasty Jew shit, like, speak up, say what you need to say, and if there's nothing left to say, then it's time for you to walk away. For real though. Everyone that's involved in here. Sometimes people don't know how to take a loss. I can't stand a sore loser, for real though. Take the L, why we all gotta take them. It's the only way you learn. What's this tower? What's this tower? Yeah. The Ace of Wands. Tower on, they're cheating. They were out here cheating, trying to cause an illusion though to try to keep something else going here with you. What's the Ace of Wands to the Tower? To the Seven of Cups? Someone could be really love apple pie. I just got that. I don't know why. Yeah. And the Six of Pentacles here? Like, come on now. They were taking from you and giving to others. Get to this other person that they have. That's crazy as fuck. What's the Two of Pentacles? Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, with the moon here. Illusions. Causing illusions here to fuck up your stability. What's the moon to the Two of Pentacles? To try to make you, unstable. We got the Eight of Cups here. Yeah, you walked away from the illusions because you don't want nothing to do with that shit. You already did what you need to do, and it's crazy because it's like people really, really hurt you like deep, deep, and then it's like you can meet other folks and you can go through the same type of things, and it just sometimes makes you close off more. It makes you more protective of yourself. But it's like, at the end of the day, not everybody is like that. You just gotta have your own discernment and really follow your intuition. That's if you have one. Nah, I'm just... I play too much. But yeah. It's all out. It all goes on that. I wanna see that shit. I wanna see that. What's the Three of Wands to the Seven of Swords? Six of Cups. Yeah, they're watching you go towards your person. This is someone that you've been dealing with in the past. You can also have a past life with this person. What's the Six of Cups? Three of Pentacles. And you guys, you know, you're going to come together and collaborate. Period. This is what this karmic is sitting here doing. Watching you come together. This is giving me twin flames because of this card as well. Past life. They stalking your ass while you get coming into union. Y'all could already be in union in the 5D, but y'all coming into union in the 3D, and they saying here just, you know, trying to figure out how they can fuck it up or all pissed off and upset or whatever. They watching you collaborate, and that's that. So they could be pissed off and upset all they want. If you really truly love someone, you wouldn't screw them over. Because you would understand that you're screwing yourself over when you do this, but hey. Everyone's entitled to believe what they want to believe. And play with me. Stay with me. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's funny how this came out. It is funny how this came out. This could be a Cancer y'all dealing with for real though. With the Queen of Cups in reverse to the Ten of Swords in reverse, bro. They were paying other people. This is like a whole like. This is giving me a poly group. Literally, because of the two masculine energy here. Then we got, you know, the Queen of Wands there, the Queen of Cups in reverse. Y'all could be dealing with a Cancer. They were sitting here trying to hex this union and paying other people to help them do this. But it didn't work, as you can see. I love it. Like, yeah. Yo, I can't make this shit up. Like, for real, though. Out here trying to do their fuck ass spell work, their shitty ass spell work that ain't going nowhere. It's like, the more and more that these people keep doing this shit, the worse the consequences are gonna be. It's gonna be the last time that it's gonna happen one day, and that's gonna be it. I mean, you can only be warned so many times. You can only try to do the same shit over and over and it not work. 23 on the clock. We got the Devil to the Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. So they're definitely throwing the evil eye at you because you're doing so much better without them, evidently. And they're burdened by this. It's a lot for them to, you know, withstand. Because they was codependent off you. It's clear as day here. Yeah, they're after your Ace of Cups here. Trying to hex and curse your divine feminine. Because the King of Cups came out upright. This is where you at. This is where you at. You could do some type of spiritual work on a platform. You could be some type of spiritual leader, some type of guru, spiritual teacher, mentor, some type of spiritualist. Hold up. bitch on a hex and curse, your ace of cups, your work, you know, your divine partner, you, like, but this, the cycle's complete. Y'all could have met online, you and your counterpart, like, and Spirit says that's the truth. Like, it's over, bitch, give it up. Let me see, what else? What other messages I'm gonna pull out for y'all? All these backfires, that's what's gonna happen. That's what's happening right now. That Ten of Swords, yeah, in reverse, yeah, that's some backfires, baby. Get ready. They thought they was running from karma now. With the Eight of Cups here. With the Eight of Cups to the moon, trying to run away from their own illusions, their own delusional, you know, reality that they created. You know, trying to take from other people. Hey, come on now. Trying to cause illusions, selling their soul. This is what this is. This is niggas selling their soul. It's ridiculous. You ain't never gonna find real true love in no damn materialistic shit at all, ever. Yeah, you lined up for this reconciliation. Bruh, I can't make this up. You letting go of this, of the baggage and the burdens. What other messages? What other messages do you have for my collective? What other messages do you have for the collective? What other messages do you have for the collective? You chillin'. It's all good for you. And it always will be. Especially when you let go of all this karmic baggage, you know, and you actually level up and shed all that ego. You gotta fall in love, you know, every present moment with yourself. Just gotta let it all flow. Tight knit, you know. Getting ready to meet your soul family. While this karmic is, their mind is all over the place, they distracted, they feeling lonely, they're questioning their worth. Yeah, let's start going within and really start doing the shadow work, you know. Let's stop trying to sit here and blame other people, throw the rock and hide your hand. Like, the truth always comes out, okay? I love Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta, my nigga. We got tea sipping and introspection. So you out here sipping your tea, okay? Feeding into rumors, listening to juicy gossip, and everyone's business thrives off of drama. You really sipping your tea, not giving a fuck in the backyard, literally meditating, while this person out here is trying to start shit and stir shit up because they're upset that you don't want their ass no more. Gee, I wonder why you don't want their ass no more, collective. Introspection, time in solitude, going within, soul searching, reflecting on self. Yeah, that's exactly what they need to be doing. I encourage a dark night of the soul, you know, at least twice a month. Like that ass. You wanna elevate, right? You gotta do the work. Ain't nobody else gonna do it for you. We got decompress and higher love. Soulmates, high vibrational match, bringing out the best in each other, relieving stress, taking off the edge, avoiding hardships, putting off worries. Yeah, you ain't worried about nothing. You ain't worried. I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about nothing. Yeah, you ain't worried about shit. Cause you know where you going. You know who you gonna be with too. 3D. Word to me. You got disconnecting, withdrawing, tuning things out, wanting to be left alone, detaching. Yeah. You probably going through a dark night of the soul right now, child. It's gotta be destroyed in order to be rebuilt. So it's like, I know people hurt. They hurt the fuck out of you. But it's like, honestly, if you really do the work, you levitate, you're gonna come to an understanding that you really can't take certain things personal, especially if you have unhealed wounds. You have unhealed, wounded souls out here. So it's like, we have to always remember to be kind, but we also have to remember that we have to keep our authenticity. Like, we shouldn't be sitting here trying to switch it up for anyone else. We shouldn't be sitting here trying to come up with facades. Because at the end of the day, that shit only lasts so long. Let's see what else I'm gonna pick up here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pick up another one too. My spirit guides are telling me to pick this one up. To use that deck over there. Voy a sacar más de ojo. Así mismo voy a hacer. Y'all could be like fire and ice. you and your twin. Cause this is just straight what it's giving me. Y'all gotta cleanse y'all energy. Take y'all spiritual baths. Do more healing work. Love on yourselves. Do things that really make you happy and bring joy to your life. Meditate. Eat well. Work out. Go out in nature. Connect with nature. Get it done. Spell work will never touch you that way. Ever. Make sure y'all do y'all return to Sundays. Yeah. You took the rose-colored glasses off. Because you got a blast from the past. And your twin is heaven sent. My dad sent them to you. My dad sent her to you. Really ride nigga, naga. If y'all feeling the vibes, check them out on Apple Music, Spiritual Tunnel. Check him out on all the platforms. He's literally everywhere, child. SoundCloud. What other messages do you have for my collective? What other messages do we have for the collective? Wow. There you go. Ooh. So we have conversation at the bottom. Yeah, that's lit. So y'all finna chop it up. It could have been months since y'all spoke. It's time for a change though. And just know that you guys have ultimate protection. This divine connection is supremely protected. Nobody or anything can fuck with it. Ever. Especially when you're both locked in. Locked down. Access denied. Unavailable. Yeah, that's you for this karmic kid. Because you're moving. You switching up locations. You like, yeah, fuck this. I'm out. Time for a new beginning. Because you done did some soul searching. You done did some soul searching and you went within, started healing your inner child. Well, I'm telling y'all, once y'all get past that part, yo, y'all really deal with like the emotions and whatnot, and y'all learn how to just leave that, you know, learn the lessons and then really let it go. Because it's like God's rejection is your protection, for real though. It's like, it may hurt and whatever, but it's like, trust me, you're gonna have some way better shit coming down the line. Everything happens for a reason. It just, everyone always thinks, you know, towards the lower vibration, especially when you grew up, you know, in these type of conditions. So we have focus and victory, accomplishments, clarity. Yeah, you have clarity, and this is why you're moving on with the victory. Y'all gonna build a family together. And Spirit answered your prayers. They're about to come to you. You see this shit? They finna come through in the whip. Finna come through in a sports car, whatever it is. Because it ain't about money, child. But it's like, if you can afford it, you should be able to indulge in whatever you want to. You know? Shit. I mean, divine masculine got his bread. Divine feminine has her own bread also. That's just how it is, okay? They add to each other. They complement each other. So, double up, yo. That's what I say. We gonna double up. That's what y'all gonna do. Y'all gonna double up. Spirit literally answer y'all prayers. This is what y'all been manifesting. This what y'all been wishing for. Alright, let me pull this up. Let's see what they trying to send. What this evil eye is. Because they send an evil eye. But that shit is blocked. Some people just don't get when certain things just are not working anymore and they need to move on. Hey. You can't force anything. And you definitely can't force anyone to love you. Especially if you don't love yourself. You need to learn how to love yourself. Stop worrying about trying to force certain things to happen. Get control over yourself. Really figure out who you are. Take all the fucking masks off. Stick it up. Someone could have French fries right now. Someone could be eating French fries with some ketchup. This is what I'm getting. Someone could love the color red. Someone could love pink as well. Your person could have blonde hair, black hair. They could drive a small car. They could live by the beach. You could be moving by the beach. Spirit, what other messages? Tell me more more about this situation. Tell me more. Tell me more about this grudge holder. Tell me more about this grudge holder and what evil eye they're sending. So we have, they feel inferior to you. They are hoping for your downfall. See, so this confirms what I said earlier. They're literally trying to hex and curse, you know, your love life, your finances, you know, your work, everything. Just because they jelly. Random indecision and confusion, feeling stuck at a crossroads. This is what they're trying to cause you. So just know, you guys, also, if y'all starting to feel something that kind of really ain't right, that it's not really of you and how you normally do things, I suggest y'all push through that and do what y'all need to do anyways, even if y'all feeling this certain type of way, because this is definitely, you know, could be spell work and whatnot. So just fight through that shit, and that shit is definitely gonna not be able to touch you. They're obsessed with you. What I said earlier, child? What I said? Confirmation. Come through, spirit. They envy your career, status, and achievements. I literally just said this as well. Right. They're trying to cause unexplained rashes, you know, or skin conditions. Yeah, take care of yourselves and do what y'all need to do. Drink a lot of water as well. Yes, yo. Yeah, I need to call Archangel Michael for assistance and protection, you know, from these folks and these karmics here. Archangel Michael will definitely take care of everything for you. Definitely watch over you. They don't know, realize they're sending the evil eye. If they don't know, or they're trying to act like they don't know. I love people like this. Like I said, throw the rock, hide your hand. What I said. So we got unexplained nausea. They envy the interest that has some. They envy the interest that someone has developed for you or has in you. So yeah, this is giving me a karmic feminine or a karmic masculine. It's giving me more a karmic feminine though, that wants to take your divine masculine. Like, no, bitch. Like, what? You crazy? You crazy? Like, hell nah. You can't change fate. This masculine already has a feminine, and this feminine already has a masculine. So no matter what anybody tries to do, it ain't gonna work. No va a trabajar. Es que tú no entiendes que no vas a trabajar. I could say it in 3 languages, so, like, for real though. I'll say it in Italian, I'll say it in Spanish, and I will say it in English. But I don't know if anybody want to hear that. They think the world should revolve around them, and it triggers them to think they'd have to share the spotlight. Narcissistic tendencies. What I said? That this person is a narcissist. Yeah. Yo, it starts with therapy too. Like, if people can't do certain things on their own, they don't want to do the shadow work, they don't know how to or whatever, there's, you know, people out there that can actually really help you. There's professionals out there. I mean, you gotta start somewhere, child. Unless you want to continue to go around this loop until, you know, some of your stuff really end up backfiring where you really can't come back for that. You really won't be able to come back from it. Let me grab some angel numbers for y'all, and then I'm gonna take my off. the messages to the house. Collective spirit. I'm the natural adult. Ooh. So we got 333. Support, growth, creativity, joy, community, vision, talents. Seeing the angel number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Unless you're an inner artist, doing unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. Okay. It's time to focus inward. Okay, remember that. We got 1010. Y'all could be dealing with a Libra. Someone could be a Libra. Someone's birthday could be 1010. Someone's solar return. Alright. So we got, it's up to you. Moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, unconditional love. It's time to put those long-cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy, as well as brand new opportunities. Trust in the process. Just trust in this divine process. It's like, especially if this is a twin dynamic, there's a lot of, stages to it. So it's like having patience with yourself, and your partner, obviously, is very key and important. But working on yourselves is a must. There's no way you'll ever raise your vibration without this. We got 0404. Balance, power struggle, force, violence, hope, authority, ancestors, restlessness, low vibrations, warning. Pay close attention to the people in your life, your surroundings, and your physical health. Don't freak out. It's just a warning to be careful and awake to avoid any further issues. Communicate clearly and keep healthy boundaries. So keep your boundaries, especially away from this person. Keep your boundaries up with this karmic person here, this ex. If this person is a narcissist, you definitely don't want to go back to that. The best remedy for these type of people is literally to just leave them alone. Literally. Don't argue with them, just leave it. I've dealt with narcissists my whole entire life, like almost every relationship. So I know how they look, I know how they come, all the above, yes. They just get a kick out of, trying to emotionally manipulate you. But that's only because they're fucked up emotionally within themselves. So you got 7777. That's so lucky. That's good. Perseverance. Change of perspective. Reflection. Inner strength. Wisdom. Enlightenment. There's a need for a change of perspective on whatever has taken over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep going down the road you're on. Reach for the wisdom within, and then you'll just know what the right next step is. So the answers are within you guys. Literally go do some meditation, do what y'all need to do so y'all can tap in. That way it can help y'all elevate and just trust in the process also. Don't force anything. Continue to do what y'all doing. Y'all doing amazing. I'm super proud of y'all for real though. Because it be tough sometimes, you think that you can give someone a second chance after they, you want to be forgiving in that sense, but in all reality, you can forgive them, you don't have to deal with them. You don't. And you forgive whenever it's in due time for you, whenever you feel like it's okay for you to forgive. Sometimes, certain people don't forgive at all. That is what it is. We do have to have some form of forgiveness within us, though, because we want the same in return. And it's how my dad is. Well, this is y'all reading. If it resonated, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, show your girl some love. Until next time. Best wishes on y'all soul journey. Bye.